Ever wondered how cassava turns into flour? In this quick DIY video, I will show you exactly how to make it from scratch and a secret trick to store it for months without a fridge. Let's get started. So the first thing to do is to get our cassava. Whether you are buying or getting from your farm, you need healthy mature cassava tubers. Look for firm ones with no soft spots, rot or blue stains. Once you have gotten your good cassava, the next thing to do is to peel out the brown outer layer and the thin pinkish white skin under it. You are left with clean white flesh, just as you can see in the video. Okay? When peeling, do it carefully so you don't get to wound yourself. When peeling and you see that the cassava flesh looks blue or smells funny, toss it. It's likely spoiled or bitter. After that, rinse everything well with clean water to remove sand or dirt from it. You can rinse it twice, okay? Now that the cassava are clean, the next thing to do is to blend it into a smooth paste. So if you have a smaller quantity, you can use a manual grater, a food processor, or even a blender. All you have to do is just add a little water to help it blend faster. But since we are using a grating machine, we do not need to add water to it. Just pour the cassava into the machine and let it do its job. Once the cassava is grated, transfer it into a clean sack, okay? Tie the mouth of the sack securely so it doesn't leak out in the course of pressing. Then the next thing to do is to place it under a jack to press out the excess water. If you don't have a jack, you can use a heavy object or large stone to apply pressure and drain out the water effectively. This can take a few hours or just place it overnight till the next day. Once dried, take it out of the jack or the heavy object, and then the next thing to do is to sun dry it. First untie the sack and then break the large chunk into smaller chunks. Spread it thinly on a clean tray or cloth or even sack and place it under direct sun for about 2 to 3 days. Make sure to keep an eye on it to prevent insects or animals from getting near it, okay? What if there is no sun? No problem. You can use an oven at low heat or a dehydrator. Just make sure it becomes completely dry, like sawdust or breadcrumbs. Turn it occasionally to help it dry faster and more evenly. It took about 3 days to get dry. This was the cassava flour on the 3rd day. Once the cassava is dry and you hold them between your hands, you will feel that dryness in it. Then it's time to blend. You can blend with your food processor, a blender, or you can use a commercial mill to grind it into smooth powder, especially if you know you don't have a very strong blender that can withstand the pressure, okay? Once blended, you can sieve the flour to remove any larger particle if you want it to be super fine, or you can just leave it like that. You can store your cassava flour in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. Keep it in a cool, dry place. If stored properly, it can last for up to 6 months or even more at home. For longer shelf life, toast the flour slightly before storage. Do this on a medium to low heat. This helps to remove moisture and keep pests away without needing a fridge. Cassava flour is naturally gluten-free and can be used in fufu, baking, pancakes, and thickness soups. It is a healthier, more affordable option compared to wheat flour and perfect for food businesses too. And that's how you make cassava flour at home. Clean, natural and long lasting. If you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Got question or you want me to show you how to turn it into fufu or pancakes? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you love simple homemade recipe like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another DIY from my kitchen. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. God bless you and bye.